So I'm walking up the street to get some provisions for today's Old English chicken curry. Watch and observe. You may learn something. Why spend money on a shopping cart when you can just use magic and take one? We have to grab 2 apples, an onion. That looks like my little magic shopping cart key. This is fucking disgusting. I used to eat the fuck out of these. They come in strawberry now, which I've never tried. These are fucking disgusting. Just Food Reviews reviewed them. They don't even taste like cinnamon. I put that shit on everything. What in God's name is a charity chook? 1 charity chook sold. Look at the price of this shit. It just gets more expensive and more expensive. I like that white one. I think that one's French. Holy moly. I gotta get 2 bags of this shit. Well, that one. But I haven't got much room in the shopping cart. See, I've got the keys to the city. I don't have to pay. Keep on trucking. So I'm halfway home. Hey, I ain't carrying all this shit. I probably didn't have to buy all this extra foil as I came across this bad boy. Okay, so time is ticking. This video is brought to you by Maldon sea salt. Just season it a tad and then in with some water. We might need 2 of those to cover it, as it will all disappear. Maybe not. I didn't test if that will fit. Shit, and it doesn't. So I have to cut all that off. Timing is of the essence. However, it is 12 o'clock. I am unprepared. I have to chop wood, light a fire, cook the chicken for an hour. There is no way of telling what time we will be eating. This is eco wood. The fuck is that? Smells nice, whatever it is. Huh? I already had some left over from last time. Well, it cracks easy. Is this that smokeless shit? Smokeless my ass. We're not smoking now. What is it about crouching down, then standing up and getting all lightheaded and dizzy? What is that? Okay, so pop that straight on and boil it for an hour. Fucking onions, man. I hate cutting them. It's a kind of a job. Now the last time I cooked this, I tried to get cute with it and added celery and ginger. And it all backfired because the ginger absolutely took over the flavor. So don't go with ginger or celery this time. I'm going to tweak it with a little pineapple. What's not to love about curry and pineapple? So I'm just waiting on the chicken. I don't like soggy onions, so I'll put them in last. I may have to light another fire because I got some sweet corn to cook. I won't cube the apples yet because they turn brown. I guess we could do the sauce. It's just tomato sauce and Worcestershire sauce. It's 50-50 to a cup. So it's 50 Worcestershire sauce and the rest tomato sauce, if it would come out. We'll be here all day. And 2 lump tablespoons of curry. Stir. Then there's that other shitty job of pulling apart the chicken. Don't go with the in-store cooked chickens. If you opt for that, it tastes too much like their seasoning. If I catch you buying an in-store cooked chicken, you have to answer to me. Do I make myself understood? I said, do I make myself clear? Can some smart bastard out there inform me what squeaky chicken means? I know you can have squeaky beans, but what does squeaky chicken mean? So basically, in with the sauce, then two cups of water, and that would be the second one, and give that a stir. I have a confession to make. Boiled chicken, it stinks bad, man. In with the onions and the pineapple. I hope this doesn't... I probably should have chopped that up. Would I use all the can? Maybe not. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Maldon, just for a little bit of a kick. This stuff's evil. Very savory, and just a pinch more curry. This is very watery, unfortunately. And then add the apples, and that's basically it. Yeah, add some rice. That'll probably absorb all that, but there is a lot of rice there. I gotta go and cook some goddamn corn. The big test. Woo! Which asshole put all that curry in there? Pretty good though. And that's basically it. Tuck in. Did the pineapple work? No. What about the apple? The apple's delicious. It's pretty damn good, but I omitted these French mushrooms you're supposed to put in. I don't know how to pronounce them. I'll give it a go. Champignon, something like that.